Hi, and welcome back to part 2 of my little series on creating a PHP development or a portable PHP development environment. Now, in this one, we're going to be installing VS Code onto our USB stick that we've already installed Laragon onto. Okay. So to do that, we're going to need the zip version of VS Code, which you can find at Visual Studio Code. If we click on download, you'll see underneath the Windows section, right down the bottom, there's a .zip option. Now, in my case, I've picked the 64-bit version. The 32-bit version's more for older machines, so you might want to use that if you've got older machines you're dealing with. But for this particular case, I've used the 64-bit. So I've just clicked on that link and downloaded the file. And that file is now sitting here on my desktop. Okay. Now I'm just going to use the built-in Windows file extractor to extract this file into a folder on my USB drive. So I'll just right-click on that. We will go extract all. And then it'll ask us where we want to extract it to. So we'll click on Browse. Head into our USB drive. And in here, I will create a new folder. And I will call it VS Code. And just double click on it to go into that folder. Select folder. And now you should have in your file path for extraction the letter or drive letter of your USB stick and the folder VS Code. And we'll just go extract. Now, once again, depending on speed of your USB stick, this could take a few minutes. Okay, so now all our files have been extracted. You can see here, they've opened up in a separate view, so we'll just close that down now. Now, everything should be in our VS Code folder here, so if we double click on that, you can see here. Now, there's one more thing we have to do with VS Code to make it portable, and that's to add a new folder in here. So if we just right click and go new folder, and we call this folder data. Okay. So once that's created, this should work as a portable app. So if we just double click on Code.exe, might take a little bit to start up. There we go. Obviously, anything running off a USB stick is going to run a bit slower than it would off a hard drive. But as you can see, we've now got Visual Studio Code running there. So that's good to go. So we'll just close that down again. And we'll jump back up to the top level and we'll create a shortcut here for VS Code as well. So I'll just right click, new shortcut. We'll go find our VS Code. So in our USB stick, VS Code, Code.exe. Okay. Next. And we'll just call this one Start VS Code. Okay, finish. Rightio. That means our USB drive's all set up and ready to start developing.